Hey everyone, John Galeano from the Galeano Company LLC here in New Jersey. I just finished up the Mac Enterprise Masterclass and I'm overwhelmed with just joy, and I'm just happy because throughout the entire series, this is like a 4-week course. I finished it in 2 weeks, and the amount of information and the amount of knowledge that I've gained in these, because I finished it up in 2 weeks, in these past 2 weeks is just amazing. It's amazing. Everything that you learn, the way everything is connected together, the way that you understand each point, every phase, how everything is interconnected and how you're going to succeed. I've spent over $6,000 in courses from various different people, but truly to find someone who can actually tell you from experience and tell you exactly how you need to do it step by step. It's just, you have to do it. Whether you're starting a business or you already have a business. I've been in business for about 6 years, since 2018, and I've been looking for this for a while. Since I started, I wanted to build my credit, and it's just so nice to know that there is a way, and the way that I've done it is wrong, and now that I can just correct everything and I can just streamline it, I can just take step by step to get to where I need to get. It's just amazing. I just want to give a big shout out to Mac Enterprises, and thank you very much.